Hey, Cav, you ready? And here goes the plane ride. Go!
Attention parents, please do not leave your child unattended while riding the ride. Enjoy the ride, kids. All engine running.
Wow, look at you. That's a big boy ride, Kev. Are you taking off in the airplane? Look at you. Is that a rocket? Oh, that's a spaceship. You're in a spaceship. Whoa. Can you feel the G-forces or whatever? Oh yeah, that's a choo-choo. We'll go on the choo-choo train. After we come back out of space. We'll go. Oh, buttons, yeah. Whoa. Yeah, very good. Okay, let's go try the other one, okay? Say bye-bye, Rocket.
Bye.